Senior Sfiso, Senior Mpo, siyahamba support iMexico. iMexico mele yenze izinto ezi-right. Mara what a show from Bafana Bafana.
What a show.
For me, I think we showed who we are.
Guys.
Yeah.
Yabona today we played to our strength. Even when we had the ball, you could see what's happening, what's the formation, what's being discussed. I don't know
Yeah.
because you'd know overload, go on the other side.
Bengingqolisondele Mike.
Oh, ngisondele Mike in.
Yeah.
Oh, bengithi Mike ukhona.
Mike mamosha besibhekile phela.
So the one thing that is now we've seen that we can do it. The next game, the problem is Tebza akekho. Lengiphathisa isiso man.
Sfiso. Akekho uTebza next game. Simreplace ngobani?
Mina, I think because we have nothing to lose. Let's play Mbata, we play Adams, we play Vril.
Yeah.
Le formation isidlala second half, but only difference is that kuzoba ku Adams this time, not to Tebza.
Because we have nothing to lose. We have to win that game. So, Mina, I would go like that. Maranea zangithi umadala test 2 lesingasho next.
Mara Sfiso, ngicela ukubuza. As South Africans we must know we can swap shirts. Ngathi sifuna ukubuya nama shirt wethu.
No, yeah.
Or bamelele mabadlala the popular ones.
No.
Swap shirt nobani.
Angithi la eMzansi izinto.
Mele babuye nazo.
So luwasha leli.
Angithi yazi.
Next game. No, mara next game mele sidlale ngaleli green asikalifaka phela leli green.
No, the first round ngeke sikwazi ukulifaka.
Kumele size usiye ku
Yeah.
Knockout kuze silifake. But Tampoza, what was different from Bafana today compared to their first game against Mexico?
One, we showed determination in the formation that Hugo Broos started with. That's number one. Two, the way that we played, it was structured playing and we were very attacking. We played to our strength. Three, everybody gave a shift. And that you cannot falter the team for. That's why the result is very welcome.
Sfiso, spega le game lena si compare na le Mexico. Bafana looked a bit different vandag. Against le Mexico bestatazela bestukile, we couldn't even make 5 passes amongst the teammates.
Peggy position.
Going into the game le South Korea, what do we need to do different? Hugo Broos simply advice wayithatha. Kulenye game maybe advices mobile.
Same mentality
of today.
And maybe I think one change in the team where you bring on Adams, but not no hope.
Yeah.
Or we start the way we started, so that because we didn't look bad. I think this is our best performance.
Yeah,
you understand, and everyone was putting in the shift. Everyone was working for one another. Asibonanga namhlanje go World Cup asibonanga uRono Nines save or anything. So
there was one that was but yeah.
But manje uyabonakala, you see South African ajabulile.
Nakhona we showed we're here to compete.
Yes.
We were just not there to add the numbers. Because if you are there and like Ankori, Nina, all you are, it's like everybody has picked you in a group. In group stages, we all look like Ale, Sonke Solution. 3 points,
yeah.
So now it means there needs to be thinking that's very different in this one.
Yeah.
As Kulmen individual brilliance, which player for you made it happen for Bafana tonight?
I think based on today's performance, there's quite a number of players who raised their hands. You look at Maseko, he raised his hands. You look at Tebza was going to die on that field. Come what may, he was going to die on that field. You look at Apolis, you look at Mudiba. Everybody lifted, even the way Reynas was holding on the ball, because Reynas' strongest point is not holding on the ball. Reynas' strongest point is running into those channels. So when you look at all the players, everybody gave their best. It's hard to pick one and say this one was above. But Tebza and Maseko are up there for me. Those were the 2 top performers.
Sfiso, Tebza and Maseko were up there for Tampoza. Yimapha player going into the next game when ungawa change kule team le.
Obviously, Tebza is not there. So Adams and then Norile. Then
talent.
Apolis, Uvelile now and then, but we know what he can do. And then obviously Maseko. I think for me, he's a standout. I think given the goal, the penalty, he was the one.
Oshutile then by handball.
besingazi bengithi ngeke basinike mara basinikile asibeni happy ke ukuthi basinike something mara it was a penalty so amachita going to sesovuka ke sure bafethu sizovuka ke for the last game ngo3
so besila
sizovuka and
mina namathi adrula la
mina I believe things of Mbombela will happen to Korea.
I see Korea doing what Ovid College did. Yeah, bazo consider my own goal too. Bazo consider my own goal too. Tampoza just ukuyivala ne. It was a nice showing for Bafana namhlanje badlale ngokusimisela, they went all out. Does this mean ukuthi Hugo Bruce usimamele but he just didn't want to admit in the media ukuthi bafethu nginizwile?
I think more than anything is that you can see the tactics were very different. We knew we were playing 4-3-3 and you can see it. So it's, I wouldn't want to say uslalele because we give ourselves too much credit. Mara, ubonile ukuthi la ngathi nale mpahla zami sele mzansi ngeke ngizilanda. Bazosithumela. Because zothi uhlala kuba thumela le mpahla zakhe angasabuyi.
Ayikho Chinatown ese Belgium because we Chinatown ese Sfiso. Bafana 1-1. The only point we have. La machita lawa we Checha nabo baqeda ukuthola point labo lokuqala. We have a chance of being the best number 3. But how do we make that possible?
Win the next game. Asifuna ukubelievela kubanibani kwamele sesiya calculate just calculate.
Win the game.
Win your last game.
We could also be number 2.
That's why I'm saying win it.
Win it, then you can
after
talk.
You win it, you sit.
Because what if Mexico wins their 2 games? The one that they're going to play later today or tomorrow morning, and then they also beat Chechnya. So you know good Mexico has now got 9 points. Laba, the best that they can get is 3-3. Tina would be on 4. We are sorted.
Yeah.
We no longer calculate. We can't be a calculating.
South Korea.
No.
South Korea.
You just have to win that game because of any results. It's gonna be a problem because we don't know. Guti, they still have to play Mexico, and then Mexico. What if say good 9? I need to ask against Agalan. Says good 9. We will take our foot off the pedal. Basically, relax. Abafaga want test ngabas. Basically, check near we. So we don't want that. So for us, it's just to win our game. Because it's gonna be pressure for everyone. Ugutama results njengoba uPrampoza shilo. The results of South Korea and Mexico. If South Korea wins, it's a problem.
We are the cartel. We are supporting Mexico. Mexico must win today. Mexico must win their last game, which means then Checha they end up with this one point. Korea ends up with the 3 points.
But what happens if Mexico yadliwa today and then idliwa Checha foot? It's over for us.
No. If bayadliwa, they'll be on 3 points on it. Yes. And we win our last game, we won 4 points.
Tinas number 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
But as Sizoba number 2, we already next game we can't afford to concede. Ne?
We already a calculating nation.
Avoid. No. Tampoza, Sfiso, thank you so much for his cutscene, Bafetu. Nisbonele Bafetu.
2 o'clock.
Bafana.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock so basila. Ngintongo. Ngama so basibheka so besithi. So basipapa mama kungena kuphela amagoli mara Bafetu bafana idlalile namhlanje. We are happy with what we saw. Hugo Bruce usimamele siyabonga sijabulile. Let's just hope ukuthi ibafana can keep the momentum. Na next game bangayenzi izinto lezi singazazi badlala ngama defender 5. We are not that kind of country. We are not a country defender. See, country Tinesazi, we are a ball playing country. Congratulations to Tebogo Mukwena. Nano match only red card, but for me, is my play of the match winner.
Yeah.
Play of the match Mukwena. Yeah. I would have given it to Tapelo Masego, but because of the way along Akon Mukwena.
Let's hope in our next game, we're gonna feel it. Impact Yakutevs. We are gonna feel it.
Living legend. Right. We give him that status. Living legend.
We're gonna impact that because next game again. And Aguko is la paya. Touch penalty. It's not easy. It's one nil. Why Messi is utela lobe simbabaza waya ngabumesile.
Ugutu corridor Rabat would mean nothing because now he's let the nation down. Ugutu shay goal, that was for Sundowns. We are the nation here. That's why for me, and I always say that's why being shogungiti. Angnanda bagutu dlaleli club ya. If we are flop for the national team.
Yeah.
Because this is the national team. We are not a dual passport. One passport. It says you are born and bred here.
Maruzwile.
Yeah.
Madala. We don't take credit, Madala. Sorry. But
Sizokufakela pressure.
It did something. There was something.
Sikhale ngomaseko nawapolisi ubaqalisile.
Something.
Bafethu niyabona ukuthi masikhala.
Mara ubonile ukuthi penalty ka Tebza. Le no goalkeeper noma bangayithinta bengangena nayo.
Bheka. Bafethu nisibonele ngokwenu.
Bheka nayo. Handball.
Alright, bafethu mina wami umsebenzi la sophelile ngijabulile ngiright ngiyabonga bafana iwinile. Thank you Cereals breakfast, it's ready for you to eat abash.